Thank you, Ali. Why do we need a communication system? Well, the UAV communication system plays a vital role in transferring the acquired data in real time. Current practices involve manually delivering data or using satellite technology. These methods are time consuming, expensive, and can risk the loss of valuable data due to human error. The aim of this portfolio is to research and develop and implement a UAV communication system that is capable of reliably and securely transferring sensor and flight control data. This will be achieved over two phases, Thesis A and Thesis B. Thesis A involved a thorough research into the portfolio, which initially began by conducting a detailed literature review. This review was split into two sections. The first involved the critical analysis of the design considerations for the system. This involved addressing key communication issues, which included the range and connectivity when operating beyond line of sight, the quality of service in rural and regional areas of Australia, and the security threats to the flight, control, and sensor data. The review also provided insight into cost estimation methods and use of network topologies to account for multi-UAV systems and increase range. The second section evaluated the viability of current communication protocols. This portfolio explores four key communication protocols, which include wireless LAN network, otherwise known as Wi-Fi, satellite-based communication, cellular-based communication, and WiMAX technology. This assessment incorporated the earlier design considerations, as well as the outcomes of real-world tests to identify advantages and disadvantages of each communication protocol. Overall, the literature review provided an excellent foundation to develop the functional requirements, constraints, and performance metrics of the overall system. Using these parameters, a preliminary system was proposed. The system will use two communication protocols. The first protocol will be used for flight control data, and the second will be used for sensor data. Having two communication protocols provides redundancy in case one protocol fails to deliver. As of now, these communication protocols have been narrowed down to cellular, WiMAX, and Wi-Fi communication. These protocols provide the desired performance requirements to maintain a reliable and secure communication link. The system will also be able to accommodate for multi-UAV setups of the future using either star or mesh topologies. Moving forward, Thesis B will involve the design and implementation of the system to achieve the overall aim. This will include the finalization of the communication protocol and network architecture, the selection of hardware and software components, and finally the rigorous testing of the prototype system. I will now hand over to Min, who will discuss the fuel load imaging system.